Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video here. I looked on YouTube and couldn't really find very many videos of people cutting and soldering these lights back together. These are the Govee RGBIC. This set happens to be the H6130 line. This is not Amazon, or sorry, this is not Alexa compatible. It just has this remote here. But you can see I soldered it together successfully. And I just used this 18.3 LED cable. And if you look on the strips, you can find these areas. It does not say to cut. The instructions actually say not to cut it. But I cut it along that line and soldered 3 wires on. And everything's working well. So if you attempt to do it, good luck.